senkasile ntwana yami khona tukhona makasana ntwana yami brand yasenkasile ntwana yami khona tukhona makasana brand yasenkasi mashona phakathi sebenzile amajensi banebekazi brand yasenkasi mashona phakathi sebenzile amajensi banebekazi
yizo bafethu isipho sibude machola the only machola boy Mr CEO yase studio ipresent ntwana yami Kasi TV bafethu hayi sibuyile nithi sibuyile futhi bafethu again with another show iculture khona bafethu lapha na kuntwana yami Kasi TV sacela ningakhohlwa please like and subscribe to the channel so sibiziwe salalela sezwa so sifikile sikuphi bafethu sise Vlakfontein ku Good Life Cookout bafethu bathe basimeme ngoba bazobe bana ama performances kuzobe kune entertainment emnandi so sithini asize sobabona so asingene sibheke ukuthi kwenzakalani so ibone entertainment kusazoba mnandi bafethu siyabangena manje.
Mashona phakathi sebenzile amajensi banebekazi brand yasenkasi mashona phakathi sebenzile amajensi banebekazi
yizo bafethu saseyini ombi bachola ball Mr CEO yase studio bafethu sisekhona sikhatsha khona bafethu enentomba khona bafethu like subscribe ntwana yami Kasi TV sacela support lokali yayitheleni kwami ibele kutani posta isikhathi ngicela introduce ukuthi asho ukuthi ubani ayaboneka everybody.
What's up? It's your boy, T to the M Music, IKT Music. I go by the name of T Music on all my social media platforms. Without further ado, without anything else, make sure that's my channel for allowing me and putting up with me on this show. I'm a DJ and a whole lot of other things. I'm a Tamazela son. Not the man share, that's the Okay, so see Vietnam country. What is the importance of supporting my event? Every summer artist support one another. The one thing I believe about giving support is actually making those others like who actually believe which don't make it and then tend to have no coming out of preservation, you know, like tend to lose hope, you know, like supporting each other, it's actually giving you something, the reason for you to do what you love most, you understand? So now if there's people around supporting you, even as much, you're not as big as Casper, as big as Quest and all these others and so on. But the one thing you know, when you have a platform for you to go and showcase your stuff, just literally go there, have fun, and then with your mere 5 fans, it's a big thing, it's something else, you know? That's where everybody starts, building fans and getting support. Okay, yeah.
Put it ubale ukuthi DJ masikufuna maybe yabo utholakala kanjani masikufuna nje iservice yakho utholakala kanjani
sure I'm a DJ but other things, you know, but again right now I believe your show is about music, right? Yeah. My social media is T Music SA. That's TM Music IK. That's how you spell it. That's how it is. Then on TikTok T Music SA underscore dancer. On Instagram T Music SA underscore Insta. Yes. Then on Facebook T Music SA. On Twitter T Music SA. That's all. Okay, just to say the mix is the channel expensive I use to mascot. You understand? And then for those who know me, like I can literally play any genre that you put it in my head. You understand? And then I had an idea to do a mix a mascot in commemoration of the event we just had mascot. I did that. And then from that came some good news, and I got myself an invitation, a special invitation to come and witness and be the culture of Maskadi and understand it even more. And now what's happening now, so that is also chill about Maskadi. It's also online, if you can go on my social media, you're going to get the link. Make sure that you hit me up, inbox, and I'll pass you the link if you don't see it anyway. That's the very support you should be giving each other. Because now but with you, never stop. Consistent is the key. Boy on social media. I'm not the master, I'm not the one to watch. Once you start this whole thing, consistent, never give up no matter what. Even all the crew, Masavanga Seko, make it a point that you see yourself sitting alone. You understand? Work is work, my boy. Put in work now. Yes, my show also online called All About the Music, interviewing and doing a whole lot of stuff. Yeah, shut up. Please don't use some of it. I'm going to put Professor Costa as supporting local is better. Please like and subscribe to Anamika TV. Yes, so my friends.
Mashona paga, sebenzi namajet, banileka. Brenda sekas, mashona paga, sebenzi namajet, banileka.
Yiso bafethu sisesekhona lana siyintwana Mikasi TV le ikhatsha khona. Please ungakhohlwa like and subscribe. Please make sure ukuthi uyayenza kanjalo la eceleni unomfethu uyi-artist uyaphusha without waste isikhathi. Athi ngisondele kuye usi-introduce bafo ubani.
Igama lami uLaliya Vingo aka Lester Vingo from Layitlakane. Otherwise
Ngikuthande bhuti wami. So nayo indaba ke singama upcoming artist. Kahle what is the importance of supporting amanye upcoming artists or ukusupportana thina singama upcoming artists? Because I know ukuthi njoba sila most of the people or ngithi the people abahostelana ama artists and senze sizoma support ku important kangakanani ukuthi support ama event kanjena and futhi supportane singama upcoming artists.
well the first important thing about is about that are creative. We need to understand that it's a movement. We are one and the same. Each person that plays the guitar, instruments, you're a rapper, singer, you're a trapper, whatever you're doing, man. But they will be sung on any, first of all, and then back together, when we are artists creating our own space, let's go to so far record. Yeah, so we go the higher level, I believe that it's very important that we discover the community comes together and show love for the creatives.
Anyathola bhuti wami and into trend lena it is important vele because sizobambana sibambane kahle futhi nawe uyaphusha uyi-musician yini nje obhizi ngayo nje recently and futhi esingayilindela ama-fans abangayilindela soon nje yini obhizi ngayo?
Okay, currently I'm on the piano wave again. I'm also taking over young now, young then, and then I'm also moving into a new space of three step. So I come from a hip hop background, as you probably know. Yeah, Mr. Black Sax, but then switch up Kagnane, aka Lester Vingo, Lali and Vingo, Manton and also shows by the way. So yeah, so I'm pushing it right now, which is basically gonna be called so my trip on that side. Yeah, so we have Baranjalo, it's got a couple of features. I got Chibu, I got Untesh, I got Kabadi is gonna be a surprise, but I'm also like Israel. Some of them are doing the numbers already. Shout out to Babu Ichi, the king. But we're gonna be working with them closely and that's gonna make sure we can hit as much people as we can. At the same time, Skupula Nene as a artist, they're gonna do a gatekeeper, how they plug in your thing, Babelan, how they plug, thing. Don't be that guy. Pass on the Yaboni Battalion, we marathon, or le nto lebayigijimayo, whatever it's called. Pass it on. If you're expanding, mara ungakhona ukuyispanisa, you're gonna work together, bro. So ikaze kubuka kanjani.
Hayi, siyabonga futhi esikakutsho sintwana yami TV sithi sikufisela konke ukuthi ngathi le project obhizi ngalo lingaphela bese siyalizwa lizoba mnandi. Masikufunda sikuthola kuphi kuma social media.
Alright, basically TikTok igama lami it's Elester Vingo, ELE, Elester wakhona, and then Facebook it's gonna be Lali L Vingo, so it's Lali EL Vingo, and then follow me on those so discuss ukuthi how far we gonna spread the word. Sibonge ne.
Shap putami sikufisela konke ukuthi njengoba sengishilo bafethu angazi kwenzakalani Eskom mara saqhubeka bafethu. Siyabonga bafethu. Hayi bafethu, hayi ziyabuya la njengoba besengishilo ukuthi entertainment galo njengoba kumile la eceleni kwami amithi one of the host yalana without ukumosha isikhathi ngicela ubhuti introduce asitshele konke ukuthi sikuphi la sizoyenzani isikhiphani la.
Sanibonani bafethu okhulumayo, this is your boy CTHR, don't forget the bills, Tipo baby already know what it is. Number one Bedland boys, a boy from it that's to put umdala himself inkinga yakho sukuba izinsizwa ngenika code with what's with the violence. Bafethu sila eFlapondeni good living restaurant. It's a cookout and with live performance. Bafethu we pushing the art, we pushing the passion. Baceda ukufika bafethu lapha ya stage bafethu, so it's good food, good vibes and good music. Yeah.
Simo sinama supporter la, we have people abazobukela ama performances, abanye bazoheva ifani babonile iposter ukuthi isikhiphani beza lana. Yiphi message ongayinika bona labo bantu because of siyayidinga support kule industry kakhulu, so i message ongabanika labantu labo abahlezi bada for support yini ongabatshela yona?
Bethu ngokuqala nje ngiqala ukuthi ngiyabonga kakhulu for wonke umuntu okhonile ukuthi afike yabo. Mhlambe asazi but ke lezi ziningi izinto abangazenza ngalelanga la namhlanje, kodwa bakhetha ukuthi beze la ngithola to support i-talent elikhona lokushini ngithola. So nje izandla inkulu ikhanda bafethu, sibonga kakhulu. And qhubeke nenze kanjalo nakwabanye ngithola because as ama upcoming artists futhi ngithanda igama lama upcoming artists ngithola as ama artists ngithola as ama artists we need that support ngithola, we need that the audience ngithola, the raw audience, because isikhathini esiningi bethu thola ukuthi kuma event aso thola ukuthi kugcwala ama artists kuphela but audience ayikho ngithola. But namhlanje into engijabulisayo ukuthi ngibona ama artists and ngibona nabantu abangasi ama artists just to come and watch. Yeah.
Very intense. Okay, asiphume kancane ku event hosting. Now you artist, as an artist singama supporters yini into esingayilindela kuyo ubhizi ngani yini nje use studio obviously tshela abantu ababukele emakhaya obhizi ngani?
Okay, hey bafethu sasizonyewa kakhulu. I'm busy with my album. I don't know if I can call it an album or an EP, it's too early for that, but there's a project that I'm working on called Teto and Izio. The album cover is done, the music is done, it's just into a compilation of this track goes in or this one goes out and so on, but the tape is done. So abantu abangayilindela kumina project engalazi ukuthi ngizobhiza kwamanje EP or an album. Yeah.
Okay, then sizothola kanjani or masifuna ukukusupporta nangomunye music wakho sifuna ukwazi nje ngesipano senza sikuthola kuphi?
You can find me on Facebook, Putomdala EP, and you can find me on TikTok, CTHIBO Beats, which is Tibo Beats. So that's TikTok and Instagram, the same handle.
Okay. I put on behalf of Intwana Mikasi TV, sicela ukusho ukuthi first of all sibonga ukumenywa kumnandi lana nathi sayibonga entertainment and sifisela konke ukuthi ngathi ngiyaqhubekela even ku music wakho silindele ukuzwa music wakho. We wish you all the best. Siyabonga Putam.
Bonga mina bafethu, and thank you guys for coming as well. Ngithola kusho olukhulu kumina, ngithola ukuthi nani kwazile ukuthi neke into zenu nakhona ukuthi lizoba iphathi yale event. Sibonga kakhulu bafethu.
Hayi bafethu, sesemnandi la isaqhubeka i-event sazobathola abantu. Yeso. Yabo.
Kunani la, nina bangani bam, nina zihlobo zam.
Hayi bafethu, ubumnandi obula bugalo bumnandi ngapha nangapha bafethu sekugcwele kunama performances e-stage njengoba nibona ngime eceleni kwabosisi abahle abekho bahle kuphela bashaya isibani so bengisacela nizi-introduce bosisi ngizoqala ngikunike i-mic sisi wena ongazi uyazi-introduce.
Okay, so hi guys, igama lami Angel. Yeah, Angel. Sanibonani, igama lami Splendid. Sanibonani, igama lami Lisa the vocalist.
Okay, so now mbuzo bosisi as singama upcoming artist ngifuna ukubuza kule side lo female angazi noma ngisho right i-support iyatholakala nje like ekasi iyatholakala i-support.
Yeah, iyatholakala kakhulu.
So ngisho ukuthi ama-support nawo nini.
Yeah, another thing like singama local artists siyayithola i-support from like abantu bangaphandle like uthando saluthola. So yeah, nala ngibonile ukuthi siyaluthola uthando.
Yani ngibuze wena sisi sekuyisikhathi esingakanani nenza lo music?
Mina ngiqala music I think 2022. Nakhona bengenza i-hip hop bese this year njengoba sebenza yami. Yeah. Mina ngiqale I think it was February. Yeah, ngaqala music. Nakhona ngiqale nge-afro pop and then ngakhula ngaya ku-piano.
Then sisi
Mina ngiqale 2023 mara bengenza choral manje njengoba sebenza.
Okay, then ni group igama le group
Nandi Records.
yini?
Nandi Records.
Oh, okay yeah ngicela uphinde futhi igama le group
Nandi Records.
bafethu ngizwile then yini esinga-expecta from kini bosisi Nandi Records yini nje khona i-project enibhizi ngayo yini esinga-expecta?
Right now asikosebenzeli do something but we are willing ukuthi siqhubeke music yabo. Yeah, but konke esebenzela kuyo there's something coming.
Finish something wena sisi. Okay, on behalf of Ntwana Mikasi TV bafethu sicela ukuthi sinifisela konke okuhle ngathi music enibhizi ngayo ingaqhubekela phambili. Music wenu waziwe mani kungawaziwa la ekuruleni kuphela. Bafethu bashaya sipana bosisi ngingababona stage ngaba impressed. Sicela support local as why local is legend. Ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe bafethu Ntwana Mikasi TV nabo sithi nithe igama le group yini?
Nandi Records.
Ningakhohlwa bafethu Nandi Records ni check khona Facebook.
Yes.
Yeah, ku Facebook ikhona bafethu Nandi Records. Sabonga bafethu. Yes, bafethu it's your boy Sbuda Machola the young Machola boy Mr. CEO at the studio. He present Ntwana Mikasi TV. Hayi bafethu sengiyayivala manje. And yeah ubumnandi busaqhubeka esifuna ukusho thina ukuthi sibonga from to event organizer abasibizile abasimemile wonke ama-artist esiwa-interviewile sicela ukusho ukuthi bafethu keep on doing the best bafethu nathi sizoqhubeka sinisupporte bese wonke bafethu umuntu obeyakhona sithi siyabonga well ubumnandi apheli busazoqhubeka lana but thina siyintwana Mikasi TV sithi siyaphuma so from kimi uSbuda Machola Mr. CEO at studio sithi siyabonga bafethu.
Friend yasekasile Ntwana yami khona tukhona makasana friend yasekasi mashona phakathi sebenzela amanjenzi ubani begazi friend yasekasi mashona phakathi sebenzela amanjenzi ubani begazi
Fike bathulile nami ngazingenela dlulisa imic nami ngifuna ukuzirepela phakamisa ikasi ngifuna ukurepresenta maybe ngapopa nami ngiphatha boMandela siyekeni umona mari Ntwana isebenzile from nowhere to somewhere yogcina livezekile lona cela ungaminyi bra yami sazophumelela ngoba Ntwana yami
ithi friend yasekasile Ntwana yami khona tukhona makasana Ntwana